My name's Neal. I've worked here for a little over 6 months, and I'm a CMM programmer and operator. And what we do is we, along with everyone else here in the department, the quality department, we work alongside the machinist to make sure we get our parts up to standard with the customer's drawings and specifications, as well as our own standards. We receive either setup or first article parts from the machinists. We confirm any dimensions that they checked, as well as any that they couldn't get through themselves. We use the CMM for, and then we can go back to them, let them know what needs to be changed or what needs to be fixed. And if it's not a first, then we have a QUAP or a sample part we use to make sure the parts are running within spec during the whole duration of the job. So a CMM is a coordinate measuring machine. And what it does is it basically uses probes to get either difficult or hard to reach dimensions in ways that we would have struggle replicating trying to get manually.